It's time for another book haul. As always, let me show you all the books that have come into my hands one way or the another. So here I am with another small but hopefully fun haul video to watch. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, I am Shalu. Welcome to my channel where I post videos related to books. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe for new bookish videos every week. Nothing makes a book lover happier than buying new books. Recently, I bought some interesting books which I really want to share with you all. So without further ado, let's get started. The first book is Carry On by Rainbow Rowell. This is a fantasy fiction book. The novel is set in Watford School of Magic. The book has magic, it has vampires, monsters and magical creatures. It has teenagers who are best friends. So overall, I am getting somewhat feel of Harry Potter series. I don't know if it is Harry Potter fan fiction, but the premise seems somewhat similar. This is going to be a really interesting read and I can't wait to read it. The next book is The House in the Cerulean Sea by T.J. Klune. This is again a fantasy fiction novel and a much hyped one. I have heard so much about this book that I had to buy it ASAP. I have already started reading it and I am loving it so far. The book is about a bunch of magical children who live in an orphanage in a secluded island. Among the children is Lucifer, the Antichrist. Needless to say, the orphanage is under strict supervision. When Linus Baker is sent to the orphanage for a month for inspection, he has no idea what is in store for him. Not only the children, but the master of the orphanage, Arthur, is an enigma in himself. If you love fantasy fiction, then this book is definitely a must read. The next book is Marketing Chronicles by Nimish V. Dwivedi. This book is an insightful look at branding and marketing over the years. This small book covers a vast spectrum of marketing subjects like branding concepts and unique media strategies. This book is definitely going to be very helpful for someone like me who is into marketing. The next book is The Goat Thief by Perumal Murugan. Perumal Murugan is one of the best Indian writers today. I haven't read any of his books, though I badly wanted to read one, and so I have picked The Goat Thief, which is a collection of short stories. I hope it lives up to my expectation. The next book is Nawabs, Nudes, Noodles, India Through 50 Years of Advertising by Ambi Parmeswaran. As the name suggests, this book is about how advertising in India evolved through the years and great stories about the most popular ads. I have heard that this book is filled with amazing insights for any marketing or advertising enthusiast. My son is currently reading this book and he tells me that the book talks about advertising in a fun and interesting way. Can't wait to read it. The next book is When Daddy Was a Little Boy by Alexander Ruskin. I did a question and answer video recently in which a subscriber asked me my favorite book from childhood. Yes, this is my favorite book from childhood. I had the Hindi translation Papa Jab Bacche The, which was a glossy hardcover with beautiful illustrations. Sadly, Russian books are no longer available in India. However, I found this mass paperback edition online and I bought this edition just to relive the childhood memories. This book is about the stories from the author's childhood. The author's daughter is ill and he tells her stories from his own childhood. The book is so funny and adorable. Can't wait to read the stories once again. The next book is Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell. This bestseller talks about high achievers from Bill Gates to Beatles. In this book, the author talks about the best and the brightest and tries to decode what makes high achievers different. I have heard such rave reviews of the book and I can't wait to read it. The next book is Accidentally Educated by R.V. Dhade. This is a review copy that I received from the author. The book tells the story of three best friends who are selected for a student exchange program in Canada. The book chronicles their experiences and key takeaways during their stay in Canada. This is a really good book if you're a student and aspire to study abroad. I have already done a detailed review of the book. I will leave the link in the description box. The next book is San Sattawan Ansuni Dastan by Ashraf Jamal. This is again a review copy which I have already read. As the name suggests, The story revolves around the Revolution of 1857. It is a beautiful blend of history and fiction. The story is quite interesting and I will recommend it to you if you love historical fiction. I have also done a detailed review of this book. I will leave the link in the description box. And the last book is Driving Digital Strategy by Sunil Gupta. This book is basically about how digitization changes business with a lot of real world examples. I bought this book because my son is really keen on reading it, but I am not sure about myself. Anyways, if you are interested in digital marketing, then you should definitely check this book out. So that's all for today's book haul. Have you read any of these books? If yes, do share your thoughts in the comment section. Also share with me which books you have bought lately. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share. And if you want to see more bookish content like this, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Until my next video, bye and take care.